cross covariance. So here we are considering two random processes x of t and y of t. From these two random processes, we are getting two random variables, that is x of t, y of t plus tau. So the interdependence of these two random variables gives us the cross covariance. Okay. So what is the formula? Say here cxy. Before we have cxx, no, we have cxy t comma t plus tau. The formula will be same as the autocovariance. Here it is expected value of x of t minus expected value of x of t. Okay. Into expected value of t plus tau minus expected, sorry, what is the second variable here? Y, no, so we have to take y here also, expected value of y of t plus tau. Okay, so if you simplify this, see here expected value of, multiply these two terms now, so we get x of t, y of t plus tau minus, here we got x bar y of t plus tau. Here we are getting x of t, y bar of t, y bar. The last one is plus x bar, y bar. Now apply expectation to the all terms. It can be written as expected value of x of t, y of t plus tau minus, okay. So x bar is constant, we will be writing x bar here. Expected value of y of t plus tau is y bar. Expected value of x of t is x bar. Y bar is constant. So these two x bar, y bar are constant, we will be writing separate. Expected value of that constant will be the same constant. Okay. So what is the term we will be having? So what is this formula? This is the formula for the cross correlation. The cross correlation formula. What are the two final steps? T plus tau, or xy of t comma t plus tau minus x bar y bar. So this is the formula for cross covariance function. Okay. So now we'll be taking the first case. The first case, say x of t and y of t are whites and stationary. So we have discussed now what is whites and stationary. The mean values are constants. What are the mean values here? All the mean values are constant, and the correlations will be function of tau. So the cross correlation, what is that here, is function of tau. Okay. So cxy of tau will be equal to what? Rxy of tau minus x bar y bar. So if x of t, y of t are whites and stationary, jointly whites and stationary, then the cross covariance function is not function of t, it is function of tau. That is our first case. Okay. The second case is that if two random process x of t and y of t are not correlated, uncorrelated, these are uncorrelated, means what? These two are not depend on each other. Okay. So since these two are independent of each other, then what is cross covariance? The cross covariance will become 0. Means, that is, if you make it 0, what do you get? We get Rxx of tau is equal to x bar y bar. Okay. That is Rxy of tau is equal to x bar y bar. Okay. So it means that what is this formula? This is the formula for independent. If two random variables are independent, what is the formula you get? So what is the formula here? It is x of t, y of t plus tau. No? Okay. So if these two are independent, this can be written as expected value of x of t into expected value of y of t plus tau. So what is this? It is nothing but x bar, y bar. Okay. So if two random variables are uncorrelated, then those random variables are also independent random variables. Okay. It means that independent random variables are uncorrelated. Okay. Now we'll see the third case. The third case will be finding cross correlation coefficient. Cross correlation coefficient. So it is given as rho xy of t comma t plus tau. What is the formula? Here we get cxy t comma t plus tau by square root of cxx of t comma t, cyy of t plus tau, t plus tau. This is the formula for cross correlation coefficient. Okay. If tau is equal to 0, if tau is equal to 0, then this can be written as rho xy is equal to cxy of 0 by square root of cxx of 0, cyy of 0. Okay, so it is nothing but cxy of 0. What is cxx of 0 is sigma x square. So it is sigma x, cyy of 0. So we know that cxx of 0 in the previous case we have discussed that cxx of 0 is what? Sigma x square. Similarly, cyy of 0 is sigma y square. So we get sigma x, sigma y. So this is the formula for cross correlation coefficient when tau is equal to 0. These are the three cases we have in the case of cross correlation coefficient.